Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, April 23rd. Let's quickly go over today's activities. Remember, I am on my page. I can go to plans, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to 423. I'm going a little fast because I think you know how to do this by now. So 423, here we go. Today is your last day for Pathways for this course, a PE or engineering. And then Friday, you will start a new one. Let's take a look at what kindergarten has to do. Kindergarten today, you are going to do an iReady lesson again on our sorting objects. Make sure you go to ClassLink, then you go to Math, iReady, and it will tell you exactly what to do. You're going to go to sorting objects. I need your parents' help with this. You're going to do the diary card from last week and our IEP goals and objectives. This is how I monitor your progress. So parents will help you with that. And then kindergarten, you are going to read. And then I will post a couple other extra little videos here for you if you would like that are just cosmic yoga. Let's look back at second grade. Oops, let me go back here. Second grade, you're going to scroll all the way down, 423. Second grade, let's see what you have to do today. You're wrapping up your math unit. You're going to take the quick Unit 11 math assessment. It is 7 questions, and that is in Pearson. You're going to do the same mindfulness, diary card, and IEP goals and objectives. And last but not least, you're going to go to plant life cycles, and you are going to watch this. It's a quick little video, 5 short video segments. It's 8 minutes. But here, listen carefully. It says you first must open ClassLink. Go to digital content, Discovery Ed, and then you can come back here and click the plant life cycle. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to go to right here. I'm going to go to digital content, Discovery Education, and I can come back here to this link right here. And if I click it, when I open it up, here it is. Oh, yours will look a little different because you're a student, but it takes you right here, okay? So it says 10 minutes, but two of those minutes are like a little quiz at the end. So you're just going to click play and you're going to watch this and listen carefully because it's going to ask you some questions at the end. And that is what you have to do for second grade today. Remember, Friday is a catch-up day. Use Friday as a time to finish anything that you have not finished this week. I'm here if you need me, email me. I'm happy to meet with you with Google Meet if you want to do some of this together. So just let me know. Happy learning.